everyone, this is Miss Mara and welcome back to my channel. Today we have yet another toy review, but before we get into who they are and what they are, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you know when I have new content out. I post on Saturdays at 1 p.m. Pacific time, or I live stream. Go ahead and check out my 3 membership tiers here on YouTube for more goodies and rewards. I also have a monthly newsletter that showcases where I'm going to be traveling, what collabs I have, and also what events that I'm hosting in a city near you, so go check that out after this video. I haven't done a product review for a while, so this one is a male toy as well as an enema. So this is the company Xmperor or Xmperor, but it starts with an X. This is their logo, and they have many different things on their website. Today I'm going to be unboxing 2 with you guys, so let's get started. These are the toys right here, and we're gonna start out with a smaller one. So discreet packaging, doesn't show what it is on the outside. There is a user manual for this. This is the anti-backflow enema bulb. So that's really cool. I didn't know that enemas could backflow, so that's actually really good to know that this is anti-that. Alright, so it's a very beautiful lilac color. It even has this metal screw on the bottom, which I'm not sure what that's for. Almost looks magnetic. But it comes with 2 pieces. It's pretty easy. I believe you just screw it on after adding water in. And you know what? Let's add water. Let's find out. Also, it comes with its own little tube of water-based slippery stuff, so that's really cool. I do have a little bit of water here. We're just gonna test this out because, you know, who knows? Wow, it holds a lot, actually. I think I could fill this whole thing. Whoa. Okay, so I actually filled this whole thing. Didn't even measure it. We'll screw this back on. You're gonna insert it into your space, and I got a mat on the ground, so let's see. Ah! Oh, that's really cool. It goes out of like all directions, so there's a cross. Yeah, there's a cross shape, and there's a hole in the center of each of those. So it can literally fly. The mat didn't even do anything because of the cross shape, but that's really cool. You can even water your plants like this. But it's really cool, like upside down, it won't come out unless you press it. So this is very, very, very cool. And now, of course, my shirt is wet. Anyway, moving on. All right, then we have this one. It's got a little mysterious mustache and hat on it. But this one is a big boy. Charging time takes 120 minutes. Usage time is 90 minutes, which is really cool. Oh, hefty. It does come with a user manual, so that's really awesome. It tells you how to use it, how to clean it, what to do. Also comes with its watery, slippery stuff, water-based. And then also a USB-C charging cable. All right, it's the moment we've been waiting for. This thing is huge. This is like a mini coffee maker. That's crazy. Okay, so this is the cup. That's the most important part because, I mean, look at it. That's the texture on the inside. Like matte outside, textured inside. It's very bouncy. And then I suppose you put this in here so that it holds it together, like so. Okay, looks like it's double-ended. And then you clip it to itself. There's 3 prongs that kind of hold it together on the side. And you can tighten it by twisting this knob so that it's super secure. There's like a lot of grip. And then you want to unscrew each of these points to like have the arms be able to open up. And you can like screw them back in so that they're locked in place and they don't move. And literally that way you could just hold it like this in place. Okay, so looking at these buttons, this is the power button. Whoa. Oh, wow, you could go up in the, this is, okay. So on the right, that's for how tall you want this to stroke. This is the different modes. Oh, it goes up. This is like an amusement ride. All right, and then it cycles back down. And then this is how quickly or how much slower you want it on this side. This is a pause button, great to have. And then this is a lightning bolt. So this is like extra turbo. That's crazy. Like, look at how much it's moving my hand. I'm just holding it in place. Wow. Okay, so when you turn it off, it also just like goes back into its upright position. Anyway, that is all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share so that other people can learn more about Xmperor. This is my 15% off code. You could use it and get, obviously, a nice discount at checkout. You can check out their website here. Share so that other people can learn more about toys that are pretty high tech these days. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. I post every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, or I live stream unless I'm traveling. I have 3 membership tiers here on YouTube, so go check that out after this video on my channel page. And don't forget, I also have a monthly newsletter at dominamara.com. Until next time, keep it kinky, everyone. And turn on notifications so that you know when I have new content out. I post on Saturdays. And yeah, let's get started. These are it here. These are the toys right here. This is anti that. All right, so I do have a little bit. Insert it into your space. And you're gonna insert it. Ugh, I don't know if you could see that. And then you want to unscrew. Whoa! Okay, maybe not that much. Oh my God, I'm losing pieces. Okay, you want to unscrew a little bit.